Have you ever wondered what the future holds for us with the rapid development of artificial intelligence? This question has been on the minds of many as we stand on the precipice of what could be the next major shift in human society. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a concept confined to the pages of science fiction. It has evolved into a reality, a tangible force that is reshaping our world in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. It's as if we've opened Pandora's box, unleashing a power that holds tremendous potential but also raises grave concerns. From smart homes to self-driving cars, from virtual assistants to predictive analytics, AI is now woven into the very fabric of our daily lives. It's not just about robots and machines anymore, it's about how this technology is augmenting human capabilities, enhancing our productivity, and transforming our experiences. But while we marvel at these advancements, we must also grapple with the questions they pose. What does it mean for our jobs, our privacy, our security? How do we ensure that the benefits of AI are shared equitably, and not just concentrated in the hands of a few? And most importantly, how do we ensure that this technology serves us, and not the other way around? The journey of artificial intelligence has been a fascinating one, marked by breakthroughs and setbacks, hopes and fears, dreams and dilemmas. In this video, we will trace this journey, providing a timeline of key developments in the AI industry, from its humble beginnings to its current state, and even peeping into what the future might hold. So buckle up as we dive into the intriguing world of artificial intelligence. We'll explore its origins, its explosion, its potential, and the challenges it presents. We'll delve into the minds of those who are shaping this technology and those who are grappling with its implications. We'll seek to understand not just what AI is, but what it could be and what it should be. So, buckle up as we dive into the intriguing world of artificial intelligence. The birth of AI dates back to the mid-20th century, a period marked by significant technological advancements. The concept of a machine mimicking human intelligence was revolutionary, and sparked a wave of innovation. The first major milestone in AI history was the creation of the Turing test by Alan Turing in the 1950s. This test was designed to evaluate a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to, or indistinguishable from, human behavior. Later in the 60s we saw the birth of ELIZA, often hailed as the first AI program. Developed at MIT by Joseph Weizenbaum, ELIZA was capable of simulating conversation by recognizing and responding to text inputs. Though primitive by today's standards, ELIZA marked a monumental step forward in the development of AI. As the decades rolled on, the field of AI experienced an array of advancements, each one building on the last. This was just the beginning. The AI industry was about to take off. Fast forward to the 21st century, when AI started to become a part of our everyday lives. We've come a long way since the humble beginnings of artificial intelligence. From the realms of science fiction and theory, AI has burst onto the scene, becoming a driving force in the modern world. Its influence is pervasive and transformative, reshaping industries and altering the way we live, work, and play. Consider the advancements in autonomous vehicles. Once the idea of a car driving itself was the stuff of dreams and fantasy. Today, it's reality. AI-powered vehicles navigate our streets, making split-second decisions, optimizing routes, and reducing human error. They're not just limited to the roads either. Drones, delivery robots, even spacecraft. AI is steering us towards a future of increased mobility and efficiency. But it's not all about transport. AI is also giving us a voice, quite literally. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are becoming our digital companions, helping us manage our lives with just a few spoken words. They're learning our habits, understanding our needs, and providing personalized assistance in a way that would have been unthinkable just a few decades ago. And let's not forget the healthcare sector. AI is revolutionizing medicine, from diagnostics to treatment plans, drug discovery to patient care. It's helping doctors detect diseases earlier, predict patient outcomes more accurately, and provide better care. It's saving lives, and it's only getting started. Behind these advancements are the big tech companies. They're the ones investing billions into AI development, driving the research, and shaping the technology. Companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Apple are leading the charge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. As we can see, AI is no longer a thing of the future. It's here, shaping our present. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The AI boom is still in full swing, and there's plenty more to come. So buckle up, because the ride is far from over. Now that we've seen how far we've come, what does the future hold for AI? Well, let's delve into the crystal ball, shall we? Artificial intelligence is not just a sci-fi concept anymore, it's here, and it's growing rapidly. The future of AI is filled with incredible potential and equally imposing challenges. It's like looking at a double-edged sword. On one hand, we have the prospect of remarkable advancements. On the other, we face some serious challenges that could fundamentally change the way we live and work. Let's start with the potential advancements. AI is expected to become even more integrated into our daily lives. We're talking about smart homes that can anticipate your needs, virtual assistants that understand you better than you understand yourself, and self-driving cars that can keep us safe on the roads. AI could even revolutionize healthcare, with the potential to diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. But with great power comes great responsibility, and the future of AI is not without its challenges. One of the most significant is the potential impact on jobs. As AI becomes more capable, there's a real concern that it could replace humans in a variety of roles. This could lead to job displacement and require a massive societal shift in how we view work and employment. AI also raises serious questions about privacy and security. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they'll be able to collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data. This could lead to unprecedented invasions of privacy if not properly managed. Additionally, as AI becomes more powerful, it could be used maliciously, leading to new and unforeseen security threats. The future of AI is a vast, uncharted territory. It's a mix of breathtaking potential and significant challenges. But as we stand on the precipice of this new era, we must remember that we have the power to shape this future. We can harness the potential of AI while mitigating its challenges. It's up to us to ensure that AI serves humanity, not the other way around. The future of AI is both exciting and challenging, and it's up to us to steer it in the right direction. We've taken a journey through the history and future of AI. A tale that began with simple algorithms has evolved into a worldwide phenomenon. We've seen how the genesis of AI, rooted in the minds of brilliant scientists, has led to a technological explosion that has altered the course of human progress. We've gone from using AI in simple tasks to incorporating it into every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to transportation, banking to entertainment. This AI boom has not only changed the way we live, but also the way we think about possibilities and limitations. And what about the future of AI? Well, we've talked about how it promises to break new ground. We're looking at a horizon filled with autonomous vehicles, personalized education, and even AI that can create art. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, one thing is certain: artificial intelligence will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping our world.